Snowy weather is causing some hazards for drivers as well as power outages in our viewing area. Kaylin Cluck is following the impacts of this winter storm in the Tri-Cities this Christmas.
Sudden snowstorms turned the Tri-Cities into a winter wonderland for Christmas 2020. But the advice from roadway officials remains the same as Christmas Eve.
You do not have to be on the roadways. Stay off the roadways tonight.
Mark NAGI with TDOT said freezing temperatures have created several slick spots and heightened the potential for drivers to hit black ice.
We've seen some fender benders throughout the region, but fortunately we haven't seen anything too major in terms of multiple crashes, in terms of backups and things like that.
VDOT cameras showed clear roadways along I-81 for Virginia drivers today. Michelle EARL of VDOT Bristol said you should still be prepared before hitting the road.
If staying home isn't an option, we understand some people do have to work during the snow season, that just to allow extra travel time, make sure you have a car kit, make sure your phone's fully charged, that you have water, and just take it slow.
But for some Tri-Cities families this Christmas, the winter storm is impacting them not just on roadways, but in their own homes. On Friday, some News Channel 11 viewers reported losing power and having to use their cars to stay warm and charge devices. Bright Ridge confirmed there were around 150 scattered power outages as of 11 a.m. today. However, crews have been out since Wednesday addressing power line issues.
It started out wet and it's ended up cold. We've been trying to cut trees off the line and maintain lines that have been broke down, torn down by the trees, replace transformers.
A Bright Ridge spokesperson said it would likely be late into the afternoon before the majority of remaining outages were restored. In the meantime, crews are working through the weather.
Just trudging through the snow and trying to get people's power back on.
A reality of the Tri-Cities' first white Christmas in a decade.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
In Johnson City, Kaylin Cluck, News Channel 11.